In this video, I will show you how to connect two players in Ben 10 Protector of Earth. For the first step, you'll need two PSP consoles and two copies of the game, either UMD or digital. Turn both consoles on and load the game to the main menu. Step 2. Make sure wireless is enabled. On both PSPs, slide the LAN switch on the left side to the on position. Without this, the consoles can't connect. Step 3. From the main menu, scroll down and select Multiplayer. One player will choose Create Game to act as the host. The second PSP selects Join Game, and it should automatically detect the host lobby. Step 4. Once connected, you'll see the character select screen. Player 1 controls Ben, while Player 2 gets access to the alien forms. Pick your characters, confirm, and you're ready to jump into the co-op action. Now you can enjoy playing together. Both players fight enemies, solve puzzles, and progress through levels.